Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist to track your professional development, a powerful tool to stay organized and accountable. First things first, you'll need to set up your Todoist account. It's a straightforward process. Simply go to Todoist's website, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts. Setting up an account is the foundation of your tracking system. Without an account, you won't be able to use Todoist's features that we're about to dive into. Now that you've got your account, it's time to set up projects. Projects are where you'll list all the tasks related to a specific goal or area of focus. For example, you could have a project titled Professional Development 2025. This is important because it helps you categorize your tasks so they don't all jumble together. Next up, within your project, you'll need to add tasks. Click on Add Task and write down what you need to do. These could be things like read a book on management or complete a coding course. Tasks are at the heart of Todoist, ensuring you have a clear list of what needs to be done for your professional development. Now here's the cool part. After adding a task, you can set a deadline, priority level, and even assign it to someone else if you're working in a team. This helps us because it provides a timeline and a sense of urgency, making sure we stay on track and achieve our goals. You can also add labels and filters to your tasks. Labels add another layer of organization, and filters allow you to view tasks based on specific criteria. For example, you could create a filter to show only high-priority tasks. This matters because it allows you to customize your view based on your preferences and priorities. Once you've set everything up, it's time to track your progress. Todoist has a feature called Karma that tracks your task completion and productivity trends. It's a great way to see your progress and stay motivated. And that's it. With these steps, you're now equipped to use Todoist to track your professional development. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and keep updating your tasks and projects as your goals evolve. Thanks for joining me, and here's to your success in 2025.